was for a higher GC news. Mima Obibia Aquaba had the latest hot era with the Bravo. And we so we subscribe to channel area, but more than say over subscribe. Double yard say over click the subscribe button. Now we barely notification. We had a video for free be upload. When the first person once saw a becan a year saw video. Afi we are now like video no give us a thumbs up. Nafi share my work for so now when you be here now and someone echo so Ghana me mohano. Afi ye share ye as someone ababeto yapuno so iti a year Sakubuya ekosi mama iti sansemi.
Na answer na message me na mame frankra emma ore. Ghana Police Service me pamocho CID Interior BNI Ghana Police muina mama somra hase. Now there is a brother called Tahiru. Tahiru is a brother of the late Ahmed Suale. Tahiru, baby, I know so we share program here. Ghana Police, between and the end of the holiday, pick this guy and maybe catch much Ghana Police. Now more picking we are. As some way I maybe catch them no. Mumbisa Tahiru. Some me catch them. Obi enyanyo Kweku me scared walk or memu how never. Meaning why I can be scared. Nobody can also use political power to frighten anybody in this country. What dey monya dey amoye. Ade Kweku mi chia ne say obi wo tumi na tumi no nya wo dey o. Ye dey ama o se fe dey wo be na fe boa ye. Na wo dey tumi ni ba be sisi yen. Abra enya ne kwan so no Kweku mi wiase ade nyame bom be wiase mi ntumi stand for any nyama we bi. And then the animal politician, yeah, do you know me? Do you know who I am? I say, stupid. Who gave you that power? Who gave you that power? 32 years into our democratization. That nonsense must stop. Now, I be, meaning peniphobi bekasa. Me say, the BNI, Ghana Police, CID, Abrente Mabonidin, or ye Ahmed Suale, ne brother. He is called Tahiru. Me say before now and at the end of the holiday, we invite you. Since we be inviting, I'm going to tell you why. Anas, I know you are in town, but don't you dare try say you will use some state power. I know everything you are doing. Me say we know every movement and also if not the last Monday. I said the National Democratic Congress in Penifo with respect. Me meaning Samu. No, at least I can chest out. Kweku, I have played a role in seeing NDC come to power. Nobody dare question this. I said I have been part and parcel of seeing NDC come to power. No way. And I don't have a regret for that. Why? We did it for the MPP. We've done it for the NPP, NDC. I have been part of you winning power today, and I can be proud to see that NDC will go to opposition. Any backside, I can play that role, and nobody challenge it. No, but then on America say the National Democratic Congress in Penifo, binum when you're careful about this issue. I can understand the political machinations. I'm telling you, we know the political machinations are air coso. Yeah, you need to say, look, na me make say, na bibi ni dey to me be na wa me ehuma. Ehu sa, dey, mo den. Eno na ehu no. Mr. Interior Minister Ora Mubarak, are you there? Interior Minister, Mr. Mubarak, are you there? Are you monitoring the situation? With this particular issue, are you being briefed? Are your eyes on this issue? Do you know what is going on? Are you comfortable with what is going on? Mr. Mubarak, Muktaka Mubarak, Ibisawa Semo, Onia, we need to wasu to ya we need to ya we okay. Muktaka Mubarak, minim se ni din kwa maboni ya miniano. Me say we need to ya kwei. We okay. Aka 48 hours. Na Muslimi mo the fast na be we. Any any Muslimi penny biara unsawo case wemu bompayama Allah sonfa obonencho. Me say any Muslimi penny bia wo memu ha our government ni mu a unsa e wo sa asem we mu ame Suale ni wo e ho nsem including abrante na oda cells wo no me say 48 hours here come mu dey break bompayesa Allah mfa obonencho. But yebeko break na asiaba. Muktaka, are you there? Are you picking signals? Are you aware of what is going on? Are your hands and your eyes in this case? And are you comfortable? Is the Ministry of Interior more comfortable of what is going on? I will leave it there. Another time, I will come with another narrative. But Messiah Nadri, Ames Suale, Nini be a friend of mine. Your friend Tahiru. Tahiru, if you hear my name, don't run away. Stay in Ghana. Don't let we've thrown a lot of spies around. Oh. Anas, nyong kwana wo international connections. Oh. No. Don't be deceived. We are watching movement the same as Monsomo watching movement. It's like the spy network have been activated all over. So on Kennedy Agyapong's build-up of traces into the backyard of Anas Aremeyaw Anas, and why he think the police must invite him for interrogation. Wednesday, me bo video bi tremo. Na sa video we was the build-up of why Kennedy Agyapong Japan gave hints and traces. Ghana police for as a so moye adebi then omoye or say didn't na Ghana police for no entimi yadan invite Anas. Now enime bi or the two dwa na hu ye papa chese as I said Ghana police by this time no metimi yadan invite Anas. Me be sen abosa video na kire mu biom. Now I want our secret look I quite remember say a week be ochina Deputy Attorney General Alfred Tuyeboa can say me or say hey the security service on mamunye armchair investigation. Why? Because two governments way MPP and NDC Ame Suale in some way are there for a long time. Muntimi in fact closure ember dintia. Meanwhile, ni pepi so mo so ma ye nyoma en senem fata else bi so masem. Enu de mo jam ho at least Kennedy Agyapong my friend wabeka nasem abrantie eye Daniel Owusu Krantin ono so yatata ne obeka nasem na dinti na MPP time yanchinantum and then at this time ye be chinatum wo de yenti de Kennedy Agyapong kan as far as the build up to that of questioning and giving leads to that of the police you know say so me ABCD. Take a listen to this one.
Anas left this country with Brussels Airlines. The former ofori otchere
Lumi as in destination.
Yes. Lomi.
Brussels and Lumi.
Good.
And
You see, there's so many lapses with our security agencies here. So they have to wake up.
Wow.
Yeah, Anas, me wana dia me. On to me and koye boni and fan shamida. But me no, I'm not saying categorically say onono because man kasoma friendly people so they have a lot of enemies.
True.
But I am explaining the action. I'm one who a first suspect before they look elsewhere.
I mean, in any jurisdiction, I watch that too.
These are my best programs. Now, from my experience with ID, anybody assembly quick or back out, I go pointing at somebody, he becomes a suspect. In many times, about 80%, finally, you get to know that woman a year. Now,
that is not to say you are pointing the finger at whoever started pointing fingers.
No. Now, I want to state it categorically. I was set Ghana 40 years. Anas should be called to question. Why is it that why allow investigators, security agencies,
underground
now or divert attention? Acquire video and the battle was said, Kennedy Agyapong. And they could show a video until we were Yemisam. Only pass Now the question comes up, say, Nipa we 10:45, and another two Facebook or
Facebook wall.
What you say? Time Ben what me put two video no together. Edit here. It will be better. One a question I be sana. A time Ben nama onim say a planting. Enti na otumi ye ya na. Now, the action.
And also another question.
Good. 2. Letter noir almost say send a congressman and
a Troy, you know.
So what? It
was fake.
A guy read here, Ube who say or say somewhere this year, referring to January 2017, January 2019, 17th January. What you say? When he was referring to 2018, Achira was say Akwano, not one year Adiana to order. 1 year Adiana to order. Now, make us some term Ghana for Agro. I don't think I made the police for Anas Aremeyaw say, Yambisa Kennedy Agyapong a suspect.
Your friend.
Your friend. I don't think Anas to date. Omo friend. 1. According to the security, Omo friend Anas or South Africa. Let me show you. Maybe you're smart. Because I can assist the police. Because Momo say, my friend Anas. Anas is all South Africa. Have you actually know Yenasi? Now I can prove. Light. I can prove. Anas, the last time or arrival into this country was December 9th.
When PBU?
Yes. December 9th, 2018. Ofori Washington or the South Africa Airways or Airlines. And they drew Ghana. Argentina Assembly C 17th or 16th no. Your friend there was all South Africa.
So these are all questions that we need to put it together.
Yes. Anas. Emra wo room have police for a pen a bisa na no asem also South Africa. But we show up away yenas. 2. On the 19th.
Now, this is the build-up, very beautiful build-up by Kennedy Agyapong. Now, if you listen to him well, he's giving detailed chronology of a movement of one individual who by this time must be questioned by the security services of the state. Why? He's quiet. He's out there. Ahmed Suale, ne brother, your friend Tahiru. And tonight, I am here to ask some questions as far as Tahiru is concerned, and I want the security services also to be on the alert. 1. I demand to know, sir, Ahmed Suale, ne brother, your friend Tahiru. Did Tahiru, after the death of Ahmed Suale, visited Kennedy Agyapong at his office? Tahiru, if you are listening to me, me person me bisa say, did you at any time after the death of your brother or visited Kennedy Agyapong in the office, or did you go there or you did not? Ghana police, be on alert. So visited where? Then me bisa say, what did you go to Kennedy Agyapong to give or to tell? Number 3, did you go there to complain to Kennedy Agyapong? Say, yes, this were the people who killed your brother. Did you do that? And what were you told in that visit? Did you see him? And what did you say to him? Good. Now, after Tahiru's visit, whatever that was given to the household of Kennedy Agyapong led to somebody by name called Kudus. Kudus is a driver of Kennedy Agyapong who earlier, another nonsense story BPS, oh, Kennedy Agyapong driver Kudus and Kweku Annan. Some stupid story, foolish story. When you didn't even build any analysis on it. Think it's an answer to think. I heard that story. Say, Kudus. Can you imagine? Do you people know the role that Kudus guy, the role he has played? Now, after this guy Tahiru left, is it true also that the Kudus guy, driver to Kennedy Agyapong, went on a manhunt? And number 6, 3 people were arrested. Who are those individuals? 3 people were arrested. And then those 3 people were sent to police. They were handed over to the police. What did the police do to those 3 people? Let me call them, maybe if you like, suspect. Some 3 suspects. Police for more years angry for anything. At that time, I can say Mami Tiwa was in office. So my question is, Mami Tiwa, anything you know, meaning sound, but be winning about the 3 suspects that were handed over to the police that you were in office. Come and tell the world what you know. And where are those 3 suspects? Where are they? Who apparently tried to force the police to release the 3 suspects? Who? Who is that individual? And until I may say, Ora Mutaka, interior, we are comfortable of what is going on. I know a lot, but Manui, me nkasa for now. Me shadie. I know said the police is trying to bring some fresh charges next week Wednesday, right? Let's wait and see. But me in some way to say, Abrante ne friend Tahiru, oya medunia, oko Kennedy Agyapong ho, oko ka den. Again, oko kan, oko ka wie no, die anamotuo, na Kennedy Agyapong household omo ye. Wo mu to anamon. Yet nipa, enipa train on more he. Ye jaum, ana umugu baby anymore. Where, how? Ghanaians, share? Aremeyaw Anas, me do nyame obo so ne ala obo me no mieno. Untimi nada obi a Ghana. Me catch your plane. Share? Before all of this issue will pan out, something strange, I mean the enigma about this is what beats even Kweku Annan, my imagination. And it's saying the very first of Kennedy Agyapong to start crusade on Anas Aremeyaw Anas was a gentleman by name Mohammed Hafiz, if I'm right with the name. Yes, at least I can recall the last name. I think it's Mohammed Hafiz. Google edino. Go to engine search. Na Google the name Hafiz. National story beba. Yes. This Hafiz guy was the first guy to appear on Net2 TV and told the whole world, Bawumia Anas Aremeyaw Anas about gold deal. Moka is our story. Yes. Now you should be asking yourself, who is this Hafiz? And as we speak, where is he? Where is Hafiz? What the name be diagro? Now me security services of the state but me go so catch them. Anybody out there will try to twist our security services, for which all of us are Ghanaians and nobody is above the laws in this country. Try it, me tonyame. We don't give a care and damn. Papa. Share and the prayer back and the prayer back may catch them. But anybody who try anything will be fiercely resisted. And with thine eyes we shall see the reward of the wicked. Did you hear that? Me say, with thine eyes we shall see the reward of the wicked. Bonibia mudieno. Munheye. Hafiz remained the guy. Okotra Net2. Eka nsemni nara. From there, Kennedy Agyapong started the fish out. Just as menso ahimfubidi Abrante Anas wonsem ya me kra de me say me gyato ene obibi si no kona kwohwehwem no say eh de me ko hu ni enie. Hafiz veteran Net2 TV am obi ensam so about the gold deal on Anas kokoye de fa he e New Town ensam cho Hafiz di beguo. Hafiz free Net2 TV oko tamale 2 years pepepe. Hafiz was killed. Yeah. And the Ghana police in him when we say the family of Hafiz kept quiet. But I tell you what, her face, your hinio, her face, no, your hinio tamale, northern region. Her face is called party. Party nasia and your called poison her face. Emmanuel. Strange. Very strange. And her face is gone. Why? Possibility say if her face was to be alive, then her face would have been what? He would have lived to testify in many cases. Her face would have lived to become what? A prime what? Witness to many of the cases. So the circumstances surrounding the death of her face. Police if to me investigate here now. It's gone. Yeah. Her face Obetran Net2 the same baby go ho. Her face died mysteriously out of poison, food poisoning. Koshe eda information so say no so monko claim free wa her face ebusuan for mo tamale monko hwe na mumi so say asama American meboa. Yeah. He's the guy obey Anas cover of the things Anas is doing out there. May picture be a that picture no. Anas was talking to a state prosecutor who is also deceased. May it was around that time the image. Or not to our cover no Jose. He's so covered. And tonight I'm going to deconstruct you. The whole world will know you. But Ghanaians, minka njira oze ye deconstructing kona koko hamino me pa ocho. Someone some funa muto mudi wa Ghana no and obisi and the Kennedy Agyapong or the picture. I'm going to show you a lot of videos of Ahmed tonight. Maybe you videos Sachamo Ahmed. Now Ahmed Suale why how? I'm Nana require on Kovana. Ahmed ni ntimi Kovana. Who the hell? Now that we are a Yikaka Botobia, who there was such a new Yasiana. Oh, my friend, throw that away. I don't know, you money yet to say, or be a who, and a near young and a dear and a fine air. Who you nipa? I don't want go school. And now, near GI no go school. Huh? Into all go school in a mask in any manner. Can you imagine? Me no in a Senate crusading guide, Hanum. But Ghana police may say, invite Tahiru, a brother of wine of Ahmed Suale. Namun question is, say, Oko Kennedy Agyapong ho, Oko Yeden. Afi Ghana police go and contact the family of Muhammad Hafiz, who came to Net2 TV to expose Anas Aremeyaw Anas about Nini gold deal. And then after that expose, Hafiz died mysteriously through food poisoning in Tamale. So last week, Wednesday, Ahmed Suale before his passing away, Ahmed Suale had also resigned from Tiger Eye. Now maybe some say circumstances are more or they resign and what is it that Ahmed Suale also know beyond that of you and I, and said whatever he will bring out, Ghana will be shaken. Okay. Assembly Bentia. Nebebanso. Hey, nobody born by a woman. You try to put the stopcock under the belly of the sea, thinking say it will remain there, it will come out. Folks, tonight, Afenyo kwenim. Interview na Dakabre ene abranti as say other police for ekuku omuyeye. Mebebo ni na achiremo. The remaining part. Na Afenyo say won say oni Dakabre di nkomo no. Na police for no munim say abranti or Ghana odi ni nkomo. Two, abranti ne tata no na. I don't understand this. Yentie sa nkomo no the ending part. Why oni Dakabre koye sa interview eni emu nsama o ka kire Adakabre from Pomanso of Net FM. Take a listen to this.
So me, I was able to go. My dad and my uncle, and my uncle said, no, don't go. Nah, if you are it is the best thing to do is to report the matter to the police. It's enough for Adakabre,
free Anas Hodma Ukoko set it up while company no. Were you into private investigations?
Yeah, me private investigation, surveillance, vehicle tracking and all that. My documentary on Tomato, I there on the screen some that like soon, very soon. I have to take for motor Tomato. Maybe like I was just working, then family hotel my 5 years. And for me to enjoy saving a report back to do another job. That's something that I was perfect doing.
And Ufri say adwuma for 5 years oye ema Tiger Eye no se ne uni ho biem na ukoko bi adwuma get into similar employ say private investigation se mishap bi akoso e wo Tiger Eye legitimately ya no madwene ye say what could be the rationale behind that?
Yes, every time Diana no almost say me. Sometimes so me feel so much I'm more happy to say am yes sir. I give you one ma offer. No offer na do say me no lipa me here basa. No offer na do time dia me so ya me na me connect offer. Me no go from December all along. I've been with my uncle. So how come say Bediatuo mo be accuse me? Offer almost some crime from me home.
But so tell us more. A DNT and a ma Ujaya Juma our Tiger Eye 2017.
December 2017. Offer make us a what time visa. To make us a and what
summarize it because I say if people ever say establish basis in tia wakoya juma wajaya mishapu bia komu wadwuma mu na woni e dey show mishapu bia it is in your interest so ube explain am obi atimi establish the ntia wona da bia de show because somebody could also say say bia na wo ye traitor and wa be ya juma ha say and na wo free ha say no wo disclose your information ema ye life threatened. And it is very important you tell us. And dear Neba Yentia, and Ma Wijaya Juma with Tiger Eye.
Okay, offer. Wait, what is that? Maximum Kakra. Before a year of question and the issue, now you go to buy for Juma, be premium, person message Juma movie, but at one time, no, a year, Anas Aremeyaw Anas, and meet or ignore me in Dubai for 3 days. Me watch me Palma and go for me from Ghana and Momodi or Mokedi's car hotel Mamma Down. And so after that, you know, let me say no, I can't work with somebody who don't care about me. Because Anno Anas him how I me care about him. To the extent say maybe Grano on one year can say, oh boy, wait there. Meaning say if anything is happening, he could even take a bullet for you. I'm on 1 year can say no. Just say now we are very close to him, but yes, I man who Dubai and I back to Ghana, and I'm me can't do it too many people. Yeah.
But you know, if we say a DNT and head of the organization, who beat me a jaw with Dubai, I'm watching Wama, Obama, other persons, I don't know wow.
I don't happy, you know, just one is some small issue. Now was me go see Akufo and I joke me call you know me amasa na jo na e ma me chere ni esi nyina but after that me wu no o jam Emma I had to buy they bia no pe bia me ko tare for che and me ho chere me papa se me ko Dubai ko ye juma me boss le be me eti ma nice ke bia se me ho eti the sense that time no na ma me ne ntem e be ye sai kakra.
Okay, and Nina Musia, what me actually say now when you're comfortable with your condition of employment, said the Namoya Modiano, and a man will tell him. Now, what tell him, no, a dear, Opini or more, Emma will be Emma life, threatened.
Offer me, why am I go come once much room? And I you see, I just went working. Me travel all along. Me like me Juma. Omadi omasem bi anfa me ho. Omasem anfa me ho. Omasem anfa me ho. Me like oh yes.
Okay. Now, what information be ama honorable Kennedy Agyapong efa Anas ni team ho? Davida. I am one of my ex-worker of Anas. I think say I am me I'm the way you baby call and few people and yet me Anas I hear Juma for a long time. Most people just come and go. Some people come and work like 3 months, 6 months and go. There are a lot of ex-Tiger employees. There are a lot of them. I'm a Juma no much I call.
One more bad, but yet, see it, you say,
Enti afi nipa be yadwuma ko nipa be yadwuma ko adent na wonkwa de wujai ko ya afi de BBC wo mu campa yese eyewo na wama esi wo mu camp yi
say offer o share na me very close to Orura Anas Aremeyaw Anas me very very close to him so be mu say enkophobia center dey in the most of the time me can be me you be na me very very close to him but na me can say upon all my sacrifice say now better man say now be jam your baby mama me watch me say dia I will stop working with him.
Now Ahmed, at the time of the incident, as far as you know, not the only tiger eye here, Juma.
Offer, I heard here, because murder case, come march into it. I just want protection.
That's right.
That's right. Going to Ahmed's death. Because
Now, what was the role of Mrs. Anas to the extent to say, oh no, in your statement to the police, or allegedly send the messages to threaten you?
Okay. Now, I'm going to say Anas in Yakitwa. It's no like Obia ni me or number of friend me bibia so friend Anas in Punato wa family no be friend say na boss wing na maka so Obia o easy ana wa easy it no me number until I will friend me na visa or send me that message
now or send you that message 9th of July 2018 who reacted saying
but reply that's I have a friend man. Even though a young lady, but my friend and my the pastor, Yanso Boakye, not the bit, you don't carry a was in you. Meaning, send your old filly, Mrs. Now, or catch a message or statistics say, Kweku Annan, Miss Fede, and one was much and say, and yeah, dear, Kweku Annan. Now, a day, you do. But I know nothing about it. And me end say me chia ne mano enyina wo fi because na the money nyina pe ma sama me omunya hu ya no mani ache me chia say oh me chia o mani nyina because na de na koye na nya de metimi atumi nan akọ anati ebio se ne na
folks me sure say I feel what's a interview no a adakabre ne abrantie here no wenya the full gist of it. Ebra no ne adaka reading come na otimi say abrante no wo hiam wa papa eno no Ghana police for manti o se mo bekwa kwaye ne moa later after this interview oti Ghana oye ne documentaries ni adem wa churchon krata ba Ghana police e mama no police assistance e ma ne dia call pharmacy cancer akoye ni na wo Ghana how many years ni enne aban foforo baya enne yesi there be onumo no corporate murder was the case
yo it for we a reporter abato yepono so meka say so unya subscribe to channel idea bomodi ase obe subscribe na wa like video no give us a thumbs up na fe share ma wo foforo so na we bi hwe na wo hu ensemo ekoso e wo Ghana memo hanom oso betimi a chere wadwen afa eye ensemo nyina ho e wo comment box no mo beti minka bi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.